Okay, so today is freaking retarded. I didn't expect this. A few hours ago, I was doing BT trading. Then Javier told me that, hey, NEL broke down again. Same exact areas from Serangoon to Punggol. So I was like, maybe should I go catch it? And yeah, so this is the second edition of Scenes for Train Disruption. Haha, let's go. Bro, so it's like 4:20 right now. I'm not making things up. I walked out of the house, I prepared, I went to open up Discord, right? Then Javier told me like, oh, it resumed. I was like, bro, why so fast? I don't know whether I should just take a bus down to along the affected stretch and then see whether there's still like a few FBB running or not lah. Maybe can, maybe cannot, I don't know lah. I just see trips, yeah, my plan just messed up. Okay, luckily I was smart enough. And I was right, there was like, because of that one fraction of amount of time where the NEL got activated, right, there's like one or few that would be in service. So I was right, there's one of the Citaros there. Let me just wait for a bus to go by, then I'll find a way to go down to the proper lighting stop. Regardless, I still need to go down like 2 stops from here where I'm standing, because there's the proper terminating point for the FBB. So I'm just gonna take that 3D towards down 107M. I don't know if you can see, it's right over there, but yeah, I'm gonna go take it like 2 stops and then see what we have lah. Nothing wrong now. Yes. It is. It's just 2 minutes. So at this point, I decided to enter the train platform just to see what happened. For some reason, there's quite a lot of people in the Harbourfront direction, but what do you expect? It's probably because it's an interchange station. So subsequently after that, I decided to take a train down to a few more stations just to check out what happened. But unsurprisingly, because it's a normal station, not much people were there and things are more or less back to normal lah. So yeah.
勤洗手或使用搓手液。